Join me as I battery life is also impressive, with up to 5 days of use on a single charge. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this Android smartwatch. It's clear that the manufacturer has put a lot of thought into designing a watch that truly delivers on its promises. Of course, it's not perfect. There are some minor quirks and flaws, but overall, I think it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed smartwatch. If you're considering buying this smartwatch, I hope this review has given you a better idea of what to expect. It's not a perfect watch, but it's definitely one of the best Android smartwatches out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments below. If you want to see more tech reviews and unboxing videos, be sure to check out my other videos.